Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps Bunker. In this video, I am going to show you how to use GitHub MCP with Copilot, and there is a demonstration with the real-time Java project, and also we are going to perform some activities in this demo. So as I'm showing it in the slide, so let's start. So I have taken one Java project called as a calculator. So first we have to clone this one to the Visual Studio, copy the clone URL and come to Visual Studio, clone Git repository and enter the URL here. So it will ask you for the select repository destination. Now it's cloning. Now successfully we have cloned the repository. Okay. So now we will compile the code and launch the calculator. Okay. So just we need to ask the Copilot to do this activity. Compile the code and launch the calculator app. So I'm using agent mode here. Once you enter, so it will compile the code and launch the calculator app also. Is performing some automated activities. Just we need to click allow multiple times and you see compilation is succeeded. Now it will launch the Geo app in the background terminal. Now it launched the calculator. Now we can perform some basic activities here. 3 into 6, 18. So, and you can see there are some multiple options here and color also there. Light color, dark color. Now let's assume that we have a requirement like we want to change this to some other color like yellow or red. So for that we want to implement this, right? We have to create a new branch to implement this feature. So let's ask GitHub MCP to create new branch. Okay, add new color to this app. So create new branch. So and also in the implement it in the new branch. So just enter. I forgot to mention that which color we have to add to the calculator. So let's mention that one as well. I want yellow color theme. So now it is added yellow color theme also in the code. So let's compile and launch the application. There will be spelling mistakes when I'm typing, so please excuse me. Awesome, guys. So now we have added the yellow theme also. Previously light and dark was there. Now we have added yellow also, right? In the same way, if you want to add any other features to this calculators, then you can do that, like customization, or if you want to add any operator here. So with the help of GitHub Copilot and MCP, this is possible without putting more efforts. It's very easy now. Now we have added this color theme in the current branch, right? Which is new branch. So now we want to merge this with the main branch in the remote repository. For that, we have to push this newly created branch to remote. So give the command. Guys, I'm doing a lot of videos and courses around DevOps. So please subscribe, which will encourage me to do more content like this. Coming back to the video, give the command to GitHub MCP. Push this branch to remote. So this is the new branch which we have created. Now it is pushing to remote repository. Okay. If you come here, right now it is not there, right? Just a feature is there. Once this is pushed, we will be able to see the new branch also here. Now branch pushed successfully. So let's come here. Sorry, refresh it. You see, feature add a yellow theme. So this new branch also available in the remote, right? So now we have to merge this with the main branch, right? So let's ask GitHub MCP to create a pull request for us. So now it is created PR, right? So let's come here and check it. So now it is created the pull request. You can come here Okay, you can assign the reviewer also if you want to do that with help of GitHub MCP, and also you can provide some comments also. I will show you. Add the comment to here. Please review and approve. In the same way, we can also create issues. For example, we have to check, right? We have to identify the issues, create the issues. Right now, there are no issues here. If you come here, so find out from the repository itself. So it is analyzing the code, and it will also identify the issues, and it will create in GitHub pages here. Found several issues in the code. I will create GitHub issues for them now. See, there are a lot of issues identified, and it's created also. Okay, most of them are tagged as a bug, but if you want to tag them as a feature also, we can do that one also. If you want to change the label, that is also possible using GitHub MCP. You just have to mention that, just change the bug to feature. And also, if you want to provide any comment to the any issue, that also you can do that. So we just have to mention the issue number here. Add comment to this is a bug, we have to close it immediately. Please prioritize this one. So whatever comments we have added there, it actually improvises the comments and adding it here. So see, this is a critical bug that must become closed immediately. Please prioritize this issue also. It is added some improvised comments also. And now if you want to close this one, you can also do that. Close the issue. Close the issue number 7. Issue number 7 closed. If you come here, just refresh this page. This is closed. Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. In the same way, there are a lot of other features also there which you can explore. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, which will encourage me to do more content like this. See you in the next video.